Hi everyone, today we're going to try to achieve this glam look that you can do for events, dinners, weddings, engagements, for any occasion. It's one of my favorite looks, and if you want to learn how to achieve this look, please keep on watching this video.
First, we're going to take the makeup tape and apply it at the corner of our eyes. Taking the P. Louise eyeshadow base, I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids and blend it really well with a concealer brush. Then I will set this base with a compact powder. Using Beauty Bay Fiery palette, we are going to go in with a crease shade first and apply it all over our crease like so. Then we're going to take the darkest shade and we're going to pat it at the corner of our eyes. Taking the slightly darker shade, we are going to blend that darker shade into our crease shade. Then we're going to take this purple glitter shade and apply it only in the middle of our eyelids, and then taking this light shade, I'm going to apply it in the front of my eyes, and I'm going to mix it with the dark purple shade. Using the darkest shade and an eyeliner brush, I'm going to apply eyeliner on near my waterline. Then I'm going to curl my eyelashes in order to apply my fake eyelashes. I'm going to let them set and I'm going to do my brows meanwhile, and then I'm going to go in and apply my waterproof mascara before I apply my false lashes. For primer, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. It is going to give you that hydration, and it is also going to make your foundation really long lasting. I am using the stippling brush. For foundation, I'm using the Rimmel foundation and applying it with a beauty blender all over my face. I'm using a beauty blender because my skin right now is eczema prone and it's just going to make it look really hydrating. For concealer, I'm using the Rimmel concealer again, and I am going to apply it around the areas that I want concealing as well as brightening effect. And I'm not going to blend straight away. I'm going to apply my concealer and let it be on my face for a few minutes. While the concealer sets, I am going to be using a cream contour all over my face to provide those extra shadows and dimensions into my face. Then I'm going to take the same beauty blender and blend my concealer. I'm going to apply a nice pink cream blush on my cheeks. I'm using a lot of cream products because if you apply cream products or oil-based products before your powder products, the makeup is going to last longer. Taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder, I am going to set my face. I'm going to set all those areas on my face where I applied concealer. Now I'm going to take this 3-in-1 palette by Urban Decay, and I'm going to set my bronzer first, and then I'm going to go ahead and set my blush. Then I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight palette and highlight my nose and chin only. I'm going to use the dark shade from the eyeshadow palette, and I am going to apply it on my lower lash line. Apply mascara to finish off the entire look, and used Huda Beauty lip shades.